life is quite an unpredictable phenomenon, if you ask me. You know, you have synchronicity and serendipity. Synchronicity is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, or a correspondence in event or occurrence in time. Synchronicity. Serendipity is synonymous. Is when things don't work out as we anticipated. It's like you come to America to become an actor. So ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretation, and in some syntactical context, vagueness.
Like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15 minutes first impression. And the stuff that...
So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding lines...
Language, man. It's a vibration, it's an energy, it's a... How would I put this into perspective? I don't think